Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club. And in this video, I would like to share with you a very powerful trading strategy and to explain how to trade the S&P 500 in a CFD version using only one indicator. This indicator would be the MACD. A secret between me and you, it's one of my favorite indicators for many reasons, but mainly because it is one of the most reliable technical indicators, of course, if you read it properly. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how with this amazing indicator, the MACD, with a clear read of the price action, you will be able to spot amazing trading opportunities with great risk reward ratio trading the S&P 500. So I'll go to the trading chart, and before I will explain all the technical conditions, what to look at, how to actually read the trending structures on the price, I would like to take the opportunity and to say a big thank you to ActivTrades broker for making this video possible. And now I would like to go to the chart and to explain all the conditions that we have here. So what you will want to see on the chart is pretty much several simple conditions. The first one, okay, that will be number one, clear trending structure, which I'll explain in a minute. Second one, the price to bounce to key trading low, not just lows, it could be highs, but to key trading levels. Okay, that could be support and resistance, that could be demand and supply. Okay, and I will show the differences. And the third one, you would want the MACD to be negative and bounce back positive when you are buying, or to be positive and bounce back negative from these key zones you found when you are selling. Okay, so number one, as I said before, the price action. What you will want is, and I'll draw here with my virtual pen. By the way, I want to be clear. I said at the beginning of the video, and now I'll be showing only with the MACD. However, what you can see here on this chart is I have several other indicators. They would not play a role in this strategy I'm showing you. These are the indicators I usually have in my analysis. Okay, the focus in this video is on the MACD. If you have other indicators that you use generally in your analysis skills, your analysis techniques, methods, or in your trading strategy methods, that they could help. Okay, but what I present here would be based on the MACD. So you will see here other indicators, volume profile based indicator, my virtual trading pen, and some others. You can download them for absolute, many of them are available for absolutely free. Below this video, in the description, you will find the direct links to that. Okay. So the first thing is the price reading. So what you will want is a clear trend structure. I'm using my virtual pen to draw. Okay, so trend structure is, uptrend is when you have sequence of highs and lows to the upside, downtrend when you have sequence of highs and lows to the downside. Okay, you can see here the highs going down, the lows going down, which means for us downtrend structure. You can see here highs and lows going upside, higher highs, higher lows, which means uptrend structure. The next important thing which you will want, I will present now for an uptrend, okay, is the definition of support and demand. Support basically in an uptrend, that's the closest support is the broken resistance. So it was a resistance, now it will be support. This was the first resistance, now it will be support. And the demand zones, that's the lows that the sellers managed to create and the buyers took control of. So this is the demand and this is the demand. Okay, the lows of an uptrend would play here a role of the demand. When you will work as in a downtrend, what you will want to see is downtrend that makes lower highs, lower lows, and resistances, support that becomes a resistance, broken support becomes a resistance, and areas of supply, that's the highs of the downtrend, the place where the sellers took the control again from the buyers in the downtrend, right? Here is a high, here is a high. This would be the key zones for you in that definition. Okay. Now, I also would like to invite you to our special, unique VIP trading chat, trading group, trading community. I start with ActivTrades, where you will learn all these techniques basically in real time, enjoy our amazing trading opportunities we spot, and you can join this amazing project with a link below this video in the description. Just follow the link and become part of this amazing project I start with ActivTrades. So the first step is, as I explained, the definition of a trend with clear levels, okay, zones of support, resistances, and demand supply. The next important thing you will want is the MACD to make a pullback towards this zone. Now, I'll show it on 4-hour chart, on 1-hour chart. This strategy could be used on any time frame, okay? And I want to, I'll show you successful examples and also those which would fail. And the reason I will do it this way is so you don't have a wrong imagination of a strategy that now you have a holy grail. A strategy that delivers 100% success rate does not exist in trading. Okay, any strategy that you can have with at least, let's say, or as low as, not at least, as low as 50% success rate or even lower. Okay, mark my words, 50% or even lower, as long as you keep the risk reward to work in your favor, would be beneficial for you and help you grow. Because if you are risking $10 in order to profit 15 or 12 or 20 or 30, and you work with 50% success rate, that means if you lost 10 and earned 12 or 15, you are in total profit. In this business of numbers, that's the key thing to understand. The numbers. Okay? Charts are important. Indicators are amazing, but they indicate. You have to be able to control the numbers to work in your favor. So we define the levels, we define the trend, we define the levels. Now let's talk about the MACD. If you are in a downtrend, like we are here, lower highs, lower lows, okay? And the reason I'm choosing this wave is because before that we had another wave. I'll present you both, okay? This is the first wave to the downside, lower highs, lower lows, then correction, another wave to the downside, and another correction, okay? And another wave to the downside. So I was talking about the first wave and then the one before also. So we define first of all the lower highs, lower lows in a downtrend. Let's mark the important zones as I was showing before. Okay, so the zone of supply, the zone of resistance, the zone of supply. Right? This was, of course, also supported, became as resistance, but it was just crossing. The price did not stop on that. So it's less important for us in that example. This is the zone where the market managed to reach, right? The key resistance. It was support, becomes a resistance. The final stage you want is the MACD. What you will want is the moving, you can see the MACD has this zero line, okay? Horizontal zero in the invisible line. You want both moving averages of the MACD to cross to the positive area. That means the buyers are trying to resist the sellers, Okay, and the sellers to take the control again where the short moving average would cross down the bigger moving average. Okay, here, and that's, you want the MACD lines crossing. Okay, and at the moment it crosses, this is your sign that this is where the downtrend could again take to continue, and the sellers to take another control and create another wave. In the previous wave down, let's mark the levels again. So broken support becomes a resistance, area of supply. Broken support become a resistance, but doesn't really resist, not important, and also a zone of supply. The price goes back to the resistance in that case. MACD cross to the positive area, and then boom, cross again to the negative. You can see the moving average cross to the upside and to the downside. Well, at that moment, this is our call that a very good chance that the sellers will take the control. As the logic of this strategy hints, since the trend continues, we would expect the previous lows at least to be retested, and very likely the price to continue lower. This is the low of the previous downtrend. This is the low of the current downtrend. You can see at least to this low. Okay, and this is, I mentioned before, with amazing risk reward opportunities. You can see sometimes you would have not good risk reward in your favor. Like here, you would be risking more than potential reward to the low. Okay, but here you would be risking less, much less than the potential reward. And these are the opportunities you would want to spot. As I said before, does that mean 100% of the times this strategy would work? The answer is no. And here is an example how it will not do so. Clear downtrend structure, the zone of supply and the resistance area here, support, it becomes a resistance. The price pulls back and the moving average are trying to cross down. However, the price does not care about these signs and bounces to the upside. What matters here, it's not the holy grail expectations, which are absolutely unrealistic in trading. What matters here is the risk reward ratio to make it work in your favor. You can go also to the lower time frame. Okay, let me again close this level so they don't interrupt us, and find clear trending structure. So from this correction, the price makes clear trending structure. Higher highs, higher lows, okay? Zone of demand, zone of demand. And you can see the price here comes very close to the zone of the demand. And you can see not always it's like absolutely clear touching the areas. MACD on the negative zone below the zero line and crosses upside again, as you can see, which means in our case opportunity, right? And again, if that's what we will be risking, look at the minimum reward here, make it work in your favor, and then with as low as 50% success rate, you will be able to make amazing returns. If you have other indicators that that work for you in different methods, you can of course try and combine them with this strategy. However, what I wanted to present in this video is a very clear way to use price action to define clear trends and to combine the opportunities that the MACD indicator allows you to join these trends. So that's it for this video. And if you enjoyed this one, please make sure you hit the like button, drop some feedback in the comment section. If you have any question about anything I explain here, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer and to help. And once again, I would like to thank ActivTrades broker to make this video possible, to invite you to join our amazing project, to enjoy our access to the VIP trading community we build and develop. And you can join us with the link below this video. So I hope to see you with us soon. So thank you very much for your time watching this video. I wish you and yours all the best and successful trading ahead. I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now.